Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best door handle lever set interior available right now. The Amazon Basics Straight Door Lever, Passage, Satin Nickel, 1-pack. Whether you're upgrading your home hardware or simply replacing an old fixture, this is the lever you'll want to seriously consider. Let's start with design. The Amazon Basics Straight Door Lever comes in a sleek, satin nickel finish that gives off a clean, modern look. It complements both contemporary and traditional interiors, making it a versatile pick for any home. The straight lever design not only looks good but also feels solid and ergonomic in the hand. It adds a subtle yet noticeable upgrade to the visual appeal of your door setup. This is a passage lever, meaning it's perfect for interior doors that don't require locking, like hallways or closets. It's built with simplicity in mind. You don't have to fumble with locks or keys. Just push down the handle and walk through. That makes it ideal for high-traffic areas where ease of access is key. Installation is straightforward and beginner-friendly. It fits standard door preparations and includes all the hardware you need: strike plate, mounting screws, and an adjustable latch to suit doors of different thicknesses. You can install it in minutes using just a screwdriver, no special tools or skills required. Functionally, this handle is smooth. The latch engages and releases with a soft, quiet click. The turning mechanism is responsive and doesn't feel loose or cheap, which is impressive at this price point. It's designed for frequent use and can withstand daily wear and tear, whether in a busy household or a light commercial space. Durability is another win. Though it's affordable, Amazon Basics didn't cut corners. The metal construction feels sturdy, and it holds up well against repeated use. The satin nickel finish resists smudges and minor scratches, so it continues to look fresh long after you've installed it. Let's talk value. For under $15, you're getting a door lever that's stylish, functional, durable, and easy to install. It's a solid option for landlords, DIYers, or homeowners doing a full renovation on a budget. Whether you're replacing one door handle or upgrading an entire home, the cost-effectiveness of buying these in packs makes the whole process manageable. One thing to note is that this handle isn't reversible, so you'll want to check your door's handing before purchasing. But if it fits your configuration, it's one of the smoothest and most affordable upgrades you can make to a room. To wrap it up, the Amazon Basics Straight Door Lever in Satin Nickel isn't just a hardware piece, it's an enhancement to your living space. It blends style, performance, and value in a way that few other products in this category manage to achieve. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next in-depth review. See you in the next one.